Lakhipur online puthok saba Mars ki tang taret irai numit ki Khomjinba Pao tabirase. Ahan bada maru Pao. Silchar Tarapurda Barak Valley Chamber of Commerce Assam mapung phana semkhre. K Amrita Singhada Assam University Silcharna Linguistic ta PhD degree pirakle. Federation of Civil Society Organization Fox ki Santi ki Paujal Puba Concert Hayeng Senapati Paubachat Number Sem Sakre. Numit humni ki concert ta Kendra ki Home Minister Amit Shah Mars ki Tara Marida Assam da Thunglaragani. National Dentist Day ka Mari Lenana Jaral Tolada Lemna Ya Layeng Bagi Thorom Pangthokre. Beti Bachao Beti Parhao ki Makhada Jiribamda Jila Thaki Esse I Bachangdam Nakre Amasung Jiribamda Chathariba Football Tournament ta ngasi LFC Lungraijanga RYC Rangbaijanga sanaragani. Hauzik mapung Pao tabirase. Barak Valley Chamber of Commerce Assam ngarang ayuki pung 13 taba matamda Tarapur gi Manipuri Bosti da official oina semkhre. Nauna semliba organization asina lamdam asida lalonitik chawkhananaba masung seltung gi phibam phagadhanaba pandam thamle. Nauna semliba Barak Valley Chamber of Commerce Assam gi governing body ki chief advisor oina Basudev Sharma, advisor da Khetremaim Umananda aduga president oina Kankan Narayan Sikdar, vice president da Suraj Sarkar amadi TH Anup Singha, working president oina Biswajit Sharma, general secretary da Okram Lakhikanta, assistant general secretary Singdi Biplab Chakraborty amasung Khaidem Bitaratnani, finance secretary da Mridul Bhattacharya, assistant finance secretary da Motilal Singha, treasurer da Sarada Singha aduga executive member oina Parthadev Robin Sharma, Maniratna Singha, Abhijit Chakraborty amasung Kopimon Sharmani. Business organization asi semba sina Barak Valley da industry amasung lalonitik yokhatnana bagi maigerom da maruoiba thodang lawgadori. Khangan jaba ma haukiba February gi tang 18 kumja 2015 da Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Assam gi akhanaba mifam ama Parishad ki maru sanglen Silchar da Vice President Koijam Soponna Mayai Tangbal Laukiba amadi General Secretary Professor Khumujam Dhirena conduct tawduna phamkiba mifam gi matung tarakpa mifam sing haibadi February gi tang 19 maru sanglen Silchar amasung Mars ki tang ani Manipuri Guest House Konjong Lekai da Laukiba warep singi matungina lakadawriba April gi tang 5 dagi 3 phawba pangthokadawriba Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Assam gi 62 suba chahi gi mifam da Parishad ki Thausil Kanglup sembaga mari lenana Vice President mari General Secretary ama amadi Secretary mari asina chingbagi mikhal gi damak Election Committee gi Returning Officer oriba Assam Sarkar gi Retired Joint Secretary Kangabam Santi Kumar na thokpa cherol gi matungina satliba March tagi tang 13 da nomination form aro da pisin bagi aroba nimitni aduga March ki tang 13 da scrutiny amadi March ki tang 13 da withdrawal gi last date ni masigi damak nomination form aro dagi natraga Parishad ki WhatsApp group dagi phangbigani akupa marol gi damak aro gi mobile number 9957480031 dagi pau logbiu haina assistant aro Professor Yangkhom Rajbihari na phongdoragle. K Amrita Singhada handak Assam University Silcharna linguistic ta mahaki thesis a descriptive grammar of Khelma haiba sita chahi asigi January gi tang 13 da PhD degree pirakre. Mahak Professor KH Dhiren Singha gi lamjing makhada mahaki research work adu chathakibani. K Amrita Singha Ramnagar Tukogi K Komlakanta Singha masung K Rasmani Singha gi machanupini aduga Kasa Ramprasad Purdagi Laitonjam Suranjoy Singha masung Laitonjam Thambal Tombi gi machanupa Dr. Siddhartha Singha gi loinabini. Mahangna PhD degree phanglakpada mahaki mung manung marimata amadi maruk mapang singna harau nungaiba phongdorokpaga loinana mahaki tumgi punsida hena maipakpa oirasanu haina phongdorokle. Federation of Civil Society Organization Fox ki Santi ki Paujal Puba Concert hayeng Mars ki tang 9 dagi hauragani haibagi matungina ahanba numita Senapati Phawba chatnaba sem sakre aduga anisubada more tamna chatnaba pandam thamle haina Fox ki president Thinguzam Manihar na phongdokle Nakal amaromda Manipur gi Governor Ajay Kumar Ballana khulai pikhalaknaba thakiba matam ngarang aroiba nimita khuju khulai kya marom pikhalakre hairi Kendra gi Home Minister Amit Shah na March ki tang amada phamkiba awang matha ki security gi mifam amada March ki tang nipan haibedi hayengdagi hauduna rajya sigi lambi khudingmakta miyamna maningtam napan mamata yaudana chathok chasin yahangadabani loinana masida athingba pirakpada akanba thabak laukhananaba khanghangi basu laikhrabani
8 तारीख को हमारा पीस रिले जा रहा है इम्फाल से सेनापति तक मणिपुर में ऐसे कहता है शांति की पाउजल पीबा खोंगचट इट इज़ द पीस रिले अप टू सेनापति इज द नेशनल नंबर हाईवे नंबर 2 पे इम्फाल से सेनापति इट्स अराउंड 42 किलोमीटर का है उसके लिए अब हमारा मणिपुर का नागरिक है कोई पहाड़ का हो कोई बेले का हो सब हमको अनुरोध करता हूँ नमस्ते करता हूँ उसी दिल में सब आके हमारा मणिपुर में पेश आने के लिए आप लोग आके ज्वाइन कीजिए
Numit humnegi khongchetta Kendra gi Home Minister Amit Shah March ki tang 13 Assam da thunglakadori March ki tang 15 da awang nokpo ki Governor Singh amasung CM Singha mifam ama Guwahati da pangthokani matungda mathangi numit March ki tang 13 da Kokrajhar da pangthokadaba All Bodoland Students Union gi convocation gi thorom ama da mahak saruk jagani hairi Manipur gi miyamna chana thangnaba polam sing yumthong khudingda phanganba ngamnanaba picket haina mingthonba app ama arang hanagi Manipur gi CM Nongthomba Birenna hodokre app asina atenba matamgi manungda miyam ya pama matungina yumda acha thaki item amadi grocery gi polam sing yahonba ngamlagani hairi app asi Google Play Store da su phanglagani haina pawasina hairi National Dentist Day gamari lena nangarang Lions Club of Silchar Valley View gi thosil makhada Jarol Tolada lemna ya layeng bagi thoroma pangthokre thoromasida maming leraba yagi Dr. Ibo Chauba Singhana punna angang chamaga anida yagi ana layeng chathakhipaga loinana hidak langthaksu lemna yentokki hairi loinana Lions Club of Silchar Valley View gi maigedagi National Dentist Day gamari lena Dr. gi maphamda achamba khudol potsu piki haina pawasina hairi District Administration Jiribamna Sinduna Beti Bachao Beti Padhao gi makhada ngarang Jila Thaki se iba changdam nakre Kasturba Girls High School Jiribam da pangthoki ba changdam na badu class 6 tagi 8 phawba ama aduga class 9 tagi 10 phawba category anida punna mahiro yangkai mapana saruk yakhi Thoramda Jiribam gi DC Krishna Kumar IAS ZEO Thodam Amurasi Chanu amadi school asigi headmistress S Saroja Singhasu competition asibo yengsinki Pangthokliba competition asigi matangda DC Krishna Kumar IAS na haikibada handaki chahi asida Beti Bachao Beti Padhao gi chahi 10 mapung phargani masi nupi macha singi damak pangthokpa scheme ni Manipur gi yauna nupi macha kaya tongan ba sector da maroina nursing hospitality engineer doctor IAS MCS amasung sports sector da achoba mai pakpa oiragli Jiribam gi nupi macha singnasu asumna achoba mai pakpa puraktuna Jiribam gi mingchet purakpa ngamna bakanna honasi haina DC na phangtoklamkhi
Today an essay competition is being organized under the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program and scheme we can say in the Kasturba Gandhi High School, Girls High School. So I have a great appreciation for my JDU and headmistress and all the teachers of this school because they are the ones who are like leading this school and they will be ultimately leading the society as well because we knows that they are the ones who are teaching to all the girls students, those who are studying here and in other schools also. And this year we are going to complete 10 years celebration of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. It is the main scheme for which center and state as well have taken a main focus is being given so that all the girls, their welfare, their well-being can be ensured and they can be motivated also to participate in different sectors and at the end there should be a flag bearer for all the society members and they should bring the name of not only their family, their schools, their district and the nation as well on the national media and international media also. We know that There's lots of examples from our Manipur itself. Many girls are there in different sectors, especially if I would say in the nursing sector, hospitality sectors, many engineers, doctors, nowadays like IS and MCS, and also in the sports sectors, they had achieved a lot of big success. So same kind of a success we are expecting from all the girls from our Jirbam district, so that they can highlight the name of our Jirbam district in the nation and international media as well. Thank you very much.
All Jiribam Sports Association na sinduna Jiribam Higher Secondary School ki sanabungda Team Nipa na saruk jaduna sanariba Tramapan Suba Thoksom Radhamani Memorial Senior Open Football Tournament Lisingani kunmari kunmanga gi ngarang sanakiba match da Lalpani Sporting Club na UPC Uchatholbo goal manga mari da maithi hankre. Match asida KS Nilkamal Iqbal Javed amadi Aziz Haider na center referee assistant referee amadi fourth referee gi thodang lauki. Tournament asigi ngasi nungtil pung 2:45 taba matamda LFC Lungraizanga RYC Ramgaizanga sanaragani. Lakhipur online channel asibu yengbiri basingna pawa sibu like amati share tawbiu amati hojik phawa channel asibu subscribe tawbidri basingna subscribe tawbiu. Aroibada maruiba pau amukhanna Silchar Tarapurda Barak Valley Chamber of Commerce Assam mapung phana semkhre. K. Amrita Singhada Assam University Silcharna Linguistic da PhD degree pirakle. Federation of Civil Society Organization Fox ki Santi ki Paujal Purba Khongchet hayeng Senapati Phawbachat na basem sakre. Numit humni ki khongchet ta Kendra ki Home Minister Amit Shah March ki taramari da Assam da thunglaragani. National Dentist Day ka mari lenana Jaral Tolada lemna ya layeng bagi thorom pangthokre. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao ki makhada Jiribamda Jila Thaki ese ibachangdam nakre amasung Jiribamda chathariba football tournament tangasi LFC Lungraizanga RYC Ramgaizanga sanaragani. Lakhipur online YouTube channel gi pau sanduk chaba ngasigi wenadi matang asidaloi jare.